from your bank that you have so amount. The processing of invoice for eventual payment, and this takes a whole lot of time consuming or so. With the ERP credit solution, this has been handled. And we look at the challenges. One of the challenges are that paper. Okay, these are the contents we are going to discuss. Challenges of the paper invoices, benefits of automating invoicing process, functionalities, then few screenshots, then we might entertain questions and we'll give you answers as well. Yeah, these are a list of challenges. It is labor intensive, as we know. When you start dealing with invoice, treating of invoice, filing it, taking it from one office to another, to vet, to perform their own function on the invoice, serious labor intensive. High chances of error. There is an issue of difficulty in monitoring it. In some cases, like I've witnessed it in most cases, you drop an invoice and tomorrow you say, how far with my invoice? And the man tells you, I'm not sure you brought invoice here. To your face, he'll tell you, I'm not sure. You ransack all the office, you won't see the invoice. You might just need to go and bring another invoice. That is just the truth about it. That is even agree, even perform that service in the first place. So it's also exposed to fraudulent practices. It is time consuming and expensive also. We have a lot of benefits here. We'll just take some few. The response time is reduced. Quick response. It saves audit costs. Readily available account statement and billing history on the system. It also eliminates issuance of checks and cash for payment and facilitates quicker payment for suppliers and services. Because with the ERP invoice platform, immediately the invoice comes to the organization, you key the invoice item once into the system, and the system takes care of various items, takes care of the VAT aspect, the withholding tax aspect, as the case may be. Because you would have profiled the customer as well, it now tells you immediately that you are paying this customer to this bank account. They are all set up in the system, and you don't have any hassle anymore. You can also attach it, as my previous presenter said, you can attach the invoice along in the process, such that if anybody have any query, you can call for the attachment and see the invoice and see if there's any issue with it, or to continue with the payment. Our ERP solution is cloud-based, as earlier said, and available to users on an online real-time basis. We leverage on the status of Infinity as a preferred partner of Microsoft, as they said earlier, and you can be assured of all the security components. One of the features of the invoicing, as said, is e-correspondence and alert. Once your invoice gets to the organization and is being treated, you get emails of the various levels it is being treated. If it has been treated for payments, you know. If it has been sent for payments, you know, like the NIPS notification we saw earlier. You get, and immediately you know in 10 minutes, in 20 minutes time, you are expecting your money in your account. And it also helps the organization to do reconciliation report. And let me also say something, that this also takes care of your accounting, because you would have plugged in all these things while setting up the accounts of the company. When you are treating your invoice, if you just pass necessary entries into the various accounts that you have set up for payments and for payments. Okay, we'll look at some screenshots now. These are the menu to set up the customer email, the phone number, and also mandate. You understand? So that when we are treating your invoice, you automatically get an email prompt or a text message to tell you the progress level of your invoice. This is the point where the invoice is being entered, invoice item, invoice reference, the amount, whether there is tax, the gross amount, and so on and so forth. Then this is the bank account detail of the customer. We set up their bank account, the transaction, then the auto sweep setup is also done so that when the approval is finally gotten, either by the MD or the financial controller, the amount is swept into the customer's account has been set up. This is an example of payment instruction that is being sent to the bank to pay a particular person and a particular stated amount and some other references there. These are all automated by the ERP credit solution for payments. Okay, we need to tell you that our system is integrated or can be easily integrated with third-party application, which makes all these payment processes very, very easy. Like in the case of NIPS, we integrate with NIPS, and we can also integrate with other. When somebody makes payment, we fetch it from our system, and that is the job of integration that is made possible. We need to tell you that this our solution is tailored for deployment while taking note of local peculiarities. So if you have some peculiarities in your organization and you think it's not the way we are saying it, then you can meet us, then we'll look at it, then we develop something for you. Like you know, our solution is fully developed and running, only need customization for local conditions like I said earlier. So if you think we need to tweak some things to suit your purpose, you let us know, then that will be it and you are up and running.